Okay, in this video I've got some quick tricks for making your wallet. So I'm going to start off with coloring. Now, let's say I want to color my wallet. This was colored just the same as this. But this one here, even though it's not the best coloring job, it succeeded and here it failed. That's because I had to color it first. In this piece, I taped it together and then I colored. For this side, I colored and then I taped. So you want to color it before you tape. Otherwise, the tape is not going to hold on to the coloring very good. Second thing, pockets. I've got two methods for you for making pockets. Method one involves, let's just cut this here. Doop. Involves large pieces like this, and then you fold them. Why? You want to have a pocket with a bottom. If I don't have a bottom, then it's going to fall through. So we can't just tape strips like this. Otherwise, it'll just fall all the way through. Like if it was only this tall, it would keep going down, and that's not good. So you could cut pieces like this, fold them, and then tape this to the wallet. You could continue doing this and tape these pieces together to make multiple levels to hold your key card. Additionally, here's another method. Instead of doing the folding portion, what you can do is tape the sides and the bottom to a flat piece. As if, there we go, as if this wood is the back of your wallet. Here, I can slide the ID in. Great. Then I can continue to stack these pieces, carefully taping the bottom and the sides to provide that bottom so the piece doesn't go through. This method is going to last longer because you're not pushing into the tape. However, it uses way more material and it's going to be a lot thicker. This method uses less material, but over time it will fail. One more thing for you. Let's say I want to do an ID card slot. Now, I could cut a piece of plastic wrap, lay it flat, and tape it to the back. We don't want to show these edges of the plastic. So you would tape it on the back so that the front doesn't show. You could also do this with just tape. So here I've got a card cut out similar to these. For this, I can put a piece of tape. Great. I could keep stacking tape. The problem is, the back is sticky, and that's no good. So to get around this, after you do the front with tape, you would have to do the back. Now, Scotch tape doesn't clearly show through. So if you are trying to, well, actually that's pretty good. So if you're doing tape as your barrier, you need to tape both sides. So once again, color before you tape. Think about how you're going to do pockets. I cut out a long thin strip of material and I folded it and cut it so I could have bottoms. Or you can cut out the long material and then tape one section at a time.